This historic chateau is for sale. Located in Dordogne, Aquitaine, France, it offers 17 bedrooms and a fully renovated 17th century chateau set within approximately 26.9 hectares of private woodland and grounds overlooking the Dordogne Valley in the heart of the Périgord Noir. Offering around 1,150 square meters of accommodation, the estate includes 10 ensuite bedrooms, grand reception rooms, a library, formal dining room, and an impressive salon, all combining historic character with modern comforts, including air conditioning and central heating. Approached via a private 900-meter driveway, the estate also features a renovated 5-bedroom guest villa, caretaker's house, swimming pool with pool house, gym, workshops, and additional outbuildings. With a successful history as both a luxury rental property and exclusive wedding venue, this is one of the Dordoigne's most significant private chateau estates. The asking price of this historic chateau is €4,500,000. For more information, see the property listing in the description below. Thank you for watching.